In this video, we are going to learn how to delete the record from the database. So let's get started. Columns here, and in action column, we can add another link which would take us to the delete, and we will gonna use the delete file and we can call it delete. Come back to our folder and we can copy this update file, rename it to delete. We're gonna open this file up and we're gonna remove this entire post section because we are not posting anything, we are just deleting. First it will gonna check if the record exists. If record exists, we don't need this form. We can simply run the query to delete record from database. So for that we say delete from animal table where id is equals to the id we are getting, and we can say if result true. We can simply take the code from update like this one, successfully deleted, go back to the page, otherwise error. Save this, come back, refresh. We can click on delete memo, successfully deleted, and yeah, it is gone. So this is how you do the deletion in your records. You can set the multiple conditions as well here, where id is equals to this and like name is equals to what we call gummy, and come back and delete this. Delete successfully. Now I will gonna try to delete this because we have hard coded our gummy name. It will not gonna delete. You see, it is not deleting even though it is running deletion successfully because this record doesn't exist. We are not getting any error, that's why it is not running any error, but it is also not deleting. So there would be another way to check if it is really deleted or not. You can just do this again, run this query, and you can check the entire same thing. If result number raw is equals to 0, it's mean deleted successfully, otherwise not deleted. If I save now, you see not deleted. Go back, refresh, and this time we set gummy to Jeff. Now if I save, come back, if I again go and delete this, not deleted, go home, yes. Now try this, successfully deleted, come back, yeah, it is deleted. So this is how you do the deletion. So if you have any question, let me know. Take care for now. Bye.